Let's now try to create an irregular staircase, which will include 2 goose steps, each with different geometries. So first of all, let's carefully draw all of my elements as 2-dimensional lines, making sure that each part is clearly represented and easy to understand. In this case, we have 27 lines. Let's call up the staircase modeler function, and at this point, using the summation function, select the outer side of my staircase. The width has already been defined in terms of settings within the palette. Next, let's go ahead and carefully select all of my steps. So I proceed to select the individual steps that together make up my staircase, making sure to include each one. After confirming my selection with a right click, there you have it, the geometry of my staircase is now created. Of course, I can also manage all the 2-dimensional aspects of my staircase, such as the ability to place a section line, the option to insert a label with all the information about the risers, as well as the starting and ending elevations. I can manage all the step numbers, deciding where I want to place them, and so on. I can manage which components are involved, so not just the tread and the riser, but also the structure if needed. And an extremely interesting aspect is that I can automatically create reference surfaces. In other words, levels that I will need to ensure that the elements below or above my my staircase, fit correctly with the staircase. So when I use the wall command and proceed to draw a wall right here, specifically along the outer perimeter of my staircase, what happens? What should I expect to see as a result of this action? What happens is that I could open the modified general architectural properties, maybe using a shortcut instead of the direct function, and tell the program that as far as the extra DOS is concerned, I want to constrain everything to the reference surface that was automatically generated when I created my staircase. So in just a few moments, I can acquire a custom wall that has been shaped to precisely follow the underside of the staircase.